He's getting bigger as he gets closer. Dude. Oh, dude, it's big. Dang, boy. Yeah. Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. This September has started off strong with some phenomenal weather. I've been able to get my kayak into the ocean multiple times, and I've caught some solid fish. I'm going to share them with you right now. I want to apologize for the low GoPro angle. The camera that's facing me was pretty much just spot on locked into the middle of my legs, and I'm hitting some absolutely wild splits while I'm fighting these fish, and I'm not thinking about it. So we had to zoom in a little bit just so you're not getting too intimate with me, you know what I mean? Promise I'm sparing you, but yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, what's going on? We're out here at a very top secret location that all my locals will have absolutely no idea where we're fishing today. But we're gonna be out in the ocean in the kayaks, taking a little bit of an adventure. I've never put the Hobie in the open ocean before, so this will be a first for me. And our goal is to catch a redfish over 30 inches on artificial. My personal best on artificial is maybe 33 or 34 inches, so if we can beat that, that would be freaking wicked. So we've made it out to the rocks and we're gonna start jigging and test our luck. Let's see what we can get. Getting ready for our first drop here. Got some good water rushing through these jetties. I'm just gonna kind of troll along it and kind of jig with this big old bait. I know, I like how it's coming over toward us. It feels right. Ooh, I either snagged something or had a bite just then.
That was a big ass tarpon. I swear that's a massive tarpon.
I believe it. They're out here. Where did it roll? No way, that's freaking crazy. All right, little update. I tried the big swim bait for a very long time and we've pretty much come at least halfway down the jetty. And now we have a piece of cut bluefish drifting out the back that Elias caught. And I've had one bite so far on this bluefish. I'm hoping something big will come by and find it. I think the bluefish are cannibals because I looked back at my rods going doo 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 doo. Fish on! All right. Yeah, big red. I think I'm all right. It's a bull red, baby. It's probably like, he's over 30. No, that was not artificial. That was on the bait.
Cut the camera off real quick.
Yeah. Dude, it's a nice one, baby. Oh yeah. Beautiful red. Dude, he was so nice, he ran away from the rocks. He's probably like, I don't know, 32 to 34 range. Dang, he might be a little bigger than I think, honestly. I was switching, I think I'll be able to land him fine. But dude, I was switching freaking tackles, all my tackles like dispersed everywhere.
Yeah, dude, that's like 35 at least.
Yeah, he might be, honestly. He's getting bigger as he gets closer. Like a nice 12 to 15 pound fish. Oh, dude, he's big.
That's a 37 incher.
Dang, boy. Yeah. Look at that thing. That's a stud. You know, it was on the bluefish, so it wasn't on the artificial. We had to cheat a little bit. But we got ourselves a very, very respectable redfish. Let's see here. Yeah, that's a fatty, dude. He's mid 30s, high 30s, somewhere like, I'd say around 36.
Yeah, I mean, he looks bigger than the 35 I caught.
He's starting to kick, so he's gonna be fine. I just want, oh yeah, come on. Here, let's see if I can. Yeah, he's just kind of. I can't reach him. Maybe not. Maybe I'll just have to let him. There he goes. He kicked off. Nice. Shoot, dude. Got something big on the little rod. Oh, shoot. All right. Hey, decent red. Not a bad fish. Nice. It's funny, if I hadn't caught that one before, I'd be like, yo, this is a really solid fish. But I'm happy with that right there. On the artificial too. The GoPro's having some trouble with overheating, so that's why I'm not getting the cast on video, but anything I hook up to, I'll turn it on for you guys to see. Solid. See you, bud. Dude, this is my second nice red in like 5 minutes. On the grub, the artificial. I got my other bait out though, which sucks. Like, this one's probably like, I don't know, 27 inches. Yeah, I caught one like 5 minutes ago when you were all the way down there. That was like 22. Yeah, one sec. Let me get this fish in first. And something bit my big bait while I was trolling it.
I wonder if that was a big fish or a small fish who was real hungry.
They like the little new penny grub.
Yeah, I like the new penny grub too.
Hitting it like a freight train. Just bouncing it off the bottom.
Huh?
Just bouncing it off the bottom.
That's where I got the weak fish like that too.
It's not a bad fish at all, man.
Beauty.
It's funny how a fish like this looks kind of small.
Yeah. After that toad you got?
Yeah.
Alright, he was ready.
I'll take a carpet too.
Yeah, yeah. Wouldn't be too mad.
Wouldn't be mad.
I'd be a little disappointed, but.
I only caught one black thing the whole life, so I'll take the risk.
Yeah, they got the big mamas out here.
I bet.
They got like the 30, 40 pounders.
You did?
Oh, I haven't caught. My PV is, I haven't caught an awfully large black drum, maybe like 15 pounds. There we go. That might be a weak fish, the way that's fighting. Oh, it's a nice flounder. Yeah. Nice.
I think that's much of red.
Oh, come on. Oh, it's a sea bass, or is it a little grouper?
It's a grunt. Holy cow, it's a massive one.
Oh, it's a pigfish?
Yeah, or a grunt or whatever. Yeah, pigfish.
We're starting to catch some fish.
Yeah, I should hand him to me.
Look at that guy. Or do you want to just keep him in your net?
That'll do that.
Fish on. That's another red, I think. Oh, dude, it's big.
Oh my god.
He's swimming toward me and then he just turned into freaking heavy, dude.
Follow him, follow him.
Artificial, baby.
That's that 30-incher right there.
Come on. I don't think he's huge. I'm moving him with the rod, but he's not small. Dude, thank you for running out to open water. He's not, I don't think he's even as big as the last one. He's just fighting hard. Oh no, he's as big as the last one. He's close to 30, I think. Yeah, he might not be. He's just fighting so hard, dude. Nah, I'm good, I'm good. You keep fishing. Elias, I think you and I have finally had a good fishing day. Damn, he choked it, man. Golly. Oh yeah. Solid fish.
This spot is beautiful. Look at this spot.
Yeah, he's got a cool spot. Oh, he choked it, but he's actually barely hooked. One more look. He's going back. 28. See ya.